Hola amigos, welcome back to my channel. I'm at Monumento a la Madre in Mexico City because today I'm going to see a high-tech fine art multimedia show which is called Gogh Alive the Experience. So let's go. Sí, gracias. Hola, gracias. My ticket is at 9 a.m. and obviously who is coming to an art show at 9 a.m. on the weekday. So it's fabulous. Maybe I'm not able to talk when I'm inside, but I'll put on music and some voiceover later. It's a long queue, but all by myself. It is supposed to be an outdoor environment, so it's not like an official museum or exhibition center. We have to step on the sunflower to keep social distance, but hey, no one is around me. Alright, there's some people. Even though there are not a lot of people, you just follow the route and look at the art. So he was born in 1853. That's like 1.5 century ago. This is his bedroom. Actually, he painted his bedrooms 3 times. Instead of just showing the painting, they put back the background in a real setting. And can you see the edges? It looks like the painting. It's so thoughtful. The first hall basically is giving a brief introduction of his life as well as some of his signature pieces in both Spanish and English. If you don't know too much about art like me, I think you have at least seen them in puzzles. Let's move on to the second hall to see the real show. This is crazy. Instead of looking at art pieces in a traditional way, this exhibition is using a unique system called Sensory 4. It combines multi-channel graphics, cinema quality surround sound, and up to 40 high-definition projectors to provide a multi-screen environment. The whole video is around 40 minutes. You can choose to walk around the hall or sit on a bench. For me, I found a beanbag to lie down. Different images can be shown on the wall and on the ground. They use many pieces of orchestra music within the show, which enhance the whole experience. But I don't think I can have those music in this video due to the copyright. So I replace it with other pieces. Besides the enjoyment on sight and hearing, it also has a wonderful aroma in the hall, which really helps to relax the mind. Now I'm going to let you watch the show for a while. so pretty with all the sunflowers this way. Look at that. It's amazing. Wow. Let's go to the fourth area. It looks like somewhere for children's party. It's very colorful. At the souvenir shop, finally. Blossoming almond tree. You can have When God in the Rain. Oh, seriously? All the notebooks. Diary for 2021. This is the mitten for the kitchen. Wine and well, this is the bag for the wine. Oh, that's an apron. I can make instant noodle with it. Yeah. Groceries in an elegant way. Which one should I get? This is the aroma that they have in the exhibition room. Out there you can buy some painting. I just love this one. It's so beautiful. You can also buy a light box. It's so fascinating. Let's find a cafe to sit down and talk. That's a hidden theater here. What kind of movie? Actually, it's more like for the live performance. How to cross the road in Mexico City. This cafe is so pretty. Actually, it's quite close to my hair salon, but I've never seen it. So many pan dulce to choose from. Time to learn my vocabularies. This thingy is called ocho de mandarina because it is in the shape of 8 and it has some oranges or mandarin, whatever you call it. This one looks like a cinnamon roll, but I don't know what's the name of it. I have to ask the guy again. Hot chocolate. Long time no see. I missed you. Mexico City is amazing. You can always find some hidden treasure. Actually, there are 2 pieces of pastry. You can share it. Okay, one for you. Let's talk about the show. It's absolutely fascinating. The key point of the show is that it has huge multimedia exhibition hall. It continues to run 40 minutes video about the artwork of Van Gogh and his life. But it doesn't come with any narration. It comes with some very, very beautiful music. You can walk around the hall and look at the art, actually the video, or you can sit on a bench, or for me, I sit on a beanbag. It's just so, how do I say? It's so enjoyable, it's so relaxing. I don't feel like I'm watching those like boring fine art thing. Yeah, it's more like you're in a theater. I really like it. Personally, I'm not a fan of fine art, and actually I know not much about fine art, but I think this exhibition is quite good introduction to people like me to learn more about those classical, valuable fine art. This show has been running around the world for a while. If you have chance to see it, please go, because it's more like an experience, a very, very different experience of fine art, instead of going to traditional boring museum. For the ticket, you can buy it at the box office in front of the venue, or myself, I booked it online in advance, so I have a e-ticket. I paid for $16, but if you go to the UK and see the same show, you're gonna pay around $25. 35% off for the same thing. Mexico is a paradise. One thing I forgot to mention is that in the first hall, they were showing a few pieces of his like signature artwork, and then they have the description in both Spanish and English, which is so fabulous. At this moment of time, I can read a bit of Spanish, but it's just way much more easier for me if they have it in English, and then I just can understand the artwork way much more. The battery of my camera is dying, so I have to end the video now. But before I go, could you tell me if you have seen the same show in other parts of the world? Leave me a comment down below. If you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I will see you next time. Bye!